Okay, I would like to say thank you very much for Kementerian Kerja Raya Malaysia, especially JKR di Senggara, for giving us those opportunity. I would like to introduce today my engineer over here, Mr. Ashraf, my partner here, Mr. Johamdi, and also my staff over there, Cik Fazrul, is also actually trying to record some of my presentations so that we can improve in the future. Before I move forward, is that I would like to a little bit. We have been talking about building commissioning for many years dekat sana, and the last time I decided to go into to get myself certified as the with the National Environmental Balancing Bureau as a commissioner.
You are mechanical engineer?
No, I'm a nuclear scientist.
Nuclear scientist.
By profession, I'm a nuclear scientist, but I work more than 6 years in an oil and gas plant as a process engineer. Then I come out working with a British company in the heating system, Bospa Exaco. It's all because of our participation with knowledge-based association. We try always to look for the best way to do things better in Malaysia. And today I would like to talk about building commissioning. Yeah? Building commissioning in United States has actually gone through phases, many phases, and because of that, you can actually politely I can say that they have actually come to a stage. They have already established a certain guideline to do this thing. So there's already a practical way of doing this thing. So, but in Malaysia, this is very new. So please bear with me within this 1 hour definition, justification, all these things. Untuk nak get into because this is new presentation. Actually, I nak bawa masalah yang US tu yang buat yang main key person dalam buat H-rate, tapi dia tak mau because dia tak nak lagi promote. Dia kata you do promotion bila dia orang nak, then I can come to tell them the best way how to do, because dekat US dia ada merchant market lah. So I take the initiative to do this thing as much as possible lah.
Okay, before you proceed, I don't know whether you know cara JKR jalankan kerja lah. Okay. So kat JKR ni kita ada our business unit, business sector lah. Kan? Dia ni buat apa ni, from the design to construction, dia buat, dia handle, dan buat completion, sektor segara tu akan so macam kita ni, we are more on the sektor segara lah. So we process prior to the CPC tu, and then from there onwards lah. Tapi construction tu is our sector business lah. Just
I tahu benda tu. I nampak dia kat orang kan, kalau dia tak sempat nak tengok negara Palestin tu kan, tak apalah, dia mulakan dulu kan. Dia mati, tak apa, nak cucu dia rasa. Jadi apa yang saya nak buat ni, saya nak mulakan dulu something over here. So when we met KP last time, and also we talk to CIDB punya conference itu hari, and dia realise about the needs to do this thing. And there are a few other ministry that start to realise that there's something is wrong, there's something missing somewhere dalam kita punya sistem kita buat projek sekarang ni, and how to do that. So saya pun perasan benda tu, and bila I got the exposure and the knowledge, I feel the responsibility to bring back, talk to you guys lah. And maybe it will take time untuk you guys nak menyelami, nak tengok macam mana. But kata tiba KP bagi pada unit Senggara kan, so I kena unit Senggara lah dulu kan. Kira orang kata kita mulakan kat sini lah kan. Kat mana dia mesti ada titik permulaan dia tu kan. So I believe it's a privilege juga lah kan, for me and also for you guys lah, untuk nak dengar something maybe quite new about Okay, CS Green Bee ni solution ni I buka khas untuk this thing, because first of all there must be no conflict of interest in this thing. So kalau kita buat the commissioning, and kat Malaysia ni dia relate dengan green building yang macam mula-mula sikit kan, tapi actually I will relate lepas ni dekat United States. The commissioning for building of green building ni dia penambahan yang banyak tu, normal building yang tak pergi certified pun semua commissioning. Don't get it wrong, because dia orang yang mula cerita dulu sebab tak ada platform lain nak cerita kan. So pasal tu dia orang mula dulu. Tapi dekat United States dia bukan macam tu. Semua building dia go for commissioning. Customer yang realize nak quality result, dia go for commissioning. Dan kalau dalam course kita orang, pergi course tu dalam 5 hari 6 exam, hilang 5 kg, ambil exam hari-hari ni kan, risau kan. Dia kalau nak teruskan kena risau sikit, risau terus mana. Jadi itulah dan one of the class dia adalah dalam 1 hour plus ya. 1 hour plus ya, yang under leads accreditation to comply with that. So green building ni first of all,
so building commissioning tu refers to green building right?
No, yeah, all building. Itu yang I nak state awal-awal dulu. So don't really focus on green. No. Normal building, general building dekat United States, 80% of it they started long before USGBC duduk all out, because dia nak improve the quality of the building lah. Even in the country yang so-called developed country macam tu lah, dia ada this commissioning. Okay, so before nak mula ni, kita open our heart lah kan. Saya orang tadi surely harap semua boleh faham dan juga boleh terima pelan-pelan apa yang kita cakap ni. Dan mungkin ada objections lagi, designer kata macam ni, architect kata macam ni tak cukup ke apa. Let's go through and write down your Q&A tu. There will be a question and answer nanti, sebab ada susun sequence yang harap boleh faham yang terbaik. Okay, kita dah buat guideline untuk Ashrain, dia panggil guideline 0 to 005. Commissioning process ni is a quality oriented process untuk nak mencapai, achieve, verify, documenting the performance of facilities, system and assemblies to meet the objective and criteria. Okay, kena
beritahu lah X-ray, mungkin ada yang
okay. X-ray is world biggest lah society in the world on the HVAC, HVAC and building, and all established association guideline standards around the world does have collaboration with X-ray in the world. That's why we dalam Central Committee baru ni, kita I nak cadang nak mana-mana kata nak tukang buang Amerika tu tukang jadi Eban nak kata, sebab dia dah world influence to the world globally and they have this association under macam dengan persatuan refrigeration yang besar, ARI semua tu kan. Most of them behind this thing, yang carrier, all those people yang pioneer in the aircon does funding to improve this thing. Because ARI is more toward refrigeration, this is toward the whole application, X-ray. There is X-ray lah. So the process you perform with the finished facility project tu is accordance to the owner project requirement. Definition tu after this. And dia bermula sebelum design, before design. Commissioning dia pelik sikit lah. Bila cerita commissioning, normally kita cerita at the end of the project. So appointment and the work for commissioning agent started long sebelum design. Okay, just ni dulu, I will go one by one, step by step. Building owners findings that this is the result studies by the Building Commissioning Guide version 2.2 GSA DOE dated 30th of July 1998. Okay, DOE you tahulah, United States pun dia panggil DOE, JKR dekat Malaysia lah, dekat JKR, General Services Authority equivalent to JKR dekat Malaysia lah. So dia kata, in sense that study indicate that 8 to 20% savings in buildings cost, operating cost is actually you can get the saving compared to building that has not been commissioned. And why commission? Again, we talk about better people kat sini. Meaning that at the end of the day, you will enhance customer satisfaction, the one that is going to use the building, by promoting, all those things, the better training, because the maintenance got a proper OMM maintenance and being trained properly. And at the end of the day, it enhance the lifespan of the building. Okay, memang presentation dia orang kat sana, memang dia buka-buka, dia tunjuk benda-benda ni dulu. Okay, saya tak nampak lah which one yang saya dapat kat sini, which one yang dapat daripada US, tapi memang campur lah. This is the things, semua benda yang dia orang highlight. So this is the things yang actually the commissioning agent can play the role to help, to ensure. Bukan kata kita tak kata penggunaan existing functional, tapi there are areas that we can improve in order to do better. As you know, that thing is something and a lot of flushing. Kalau you buat, kalau by green building all this thing, walaupun tak green building, you have to have proper flushing all this thing. But if you are in this kind of situation, then you have a lot of things to flush, a lot, yeah. And you have this kind of situation also. this is completed building kan. Dia memang lah ni, tak masalah. Tapi you can find this situation. You can have this kind of situation also. The fresh air will cooling close no. By design dia kata ada 5% fresh air kata. Kalau dia ada aircon, dia ada fan coil ni, tapi filter nak buka tak boleh, dia access tak dapat. The same thing, dia sangkut, dia ada semua, barang semua ada, tapi line up dia sangkut dekat ni gambar daripada bawah. Dia sangkut kat pipe yang sebelah tu, ke pipe aircon lah, something like that. And tak boleh buat maintenance. Again, pipe bomba dulu.
Coordination lah, coordination problem lah. Coordination problem lah.
Okay. So you just start to be there. Yes. So more or less, Okay. Another situation.
Tak design.
Apa?
Biasa tak ada drawing tu. Tak ada drawing. Later stage.
Okay. Hopefully dia membuka sikit apa benda we talking about over here. The things that we don't say that kita design building, okay, kita duduk running building, okay, tapi there are situation kalau benda-benda ni kita boleh avoid. Maintenance pun better, senang nak buat. Yang orang maintenance company pun tak menipu sebab apa, dia memang boleh masuk pergi buat. Kalau dia tak boleh masuk buat pula dia kilat. Kiri kanan BP check kita tak buat. Kalau saya tu duduk buat maintenance tu ada, saya kata cuba kita pakat-pakat pergi masuk tengok macam mana nak buat. Then only the customer yang tu kata okay, let's sit down macam mana. So okay, I just now open up the things. This is the thing yang the minor thing we talk about quality. Because at the end of the day, we did not saying that kita buat quality building. No, yes, we are doing a quality building. But when we talk about quality ni, super juga macam dengan lari 100 meter kan. Dia dah main point-point second ni dah. Dia is defining antara nombor lari kan. Macam dengan Formula 1, dia very small different lah. So that is actually going to tell whether we are actually producing a good building or not. Okay, what is commissioning? So dia proses, dia ada dokumen, dia adjustment, dia testing, verification, training